Today we are going to find out which Forex broker is the best by running the same 3 trading robots on 3 different brokers. This will allow us to see which one offers the best trading conditions. I'll drag and drop on my recording screen the VPS where I have installed a live account with IC markets, a live account with Black Bull markets, and a live account with FP markets. The 3 of them are funded with $500 and 69 cents because it's a nice number. So when I go to the top 10 app from the EA Trading Academy, I can download ready to use expert advisors for different assets. I will download one for EURUSD. I'll change my initial account size to be $500. I'll click on accept and you will see that for this amount of money I'll be trading 0.01 lots of EURUSD and my stop loss is at $7 for the first strategy, 9 for the second, 7 for the third, but I actually like the first one more and I will click on download MT5. With one click I have the expert advisor. Now download robots as well for the gold and for the Bitcoin because I want to see which broker offers best conditions for the different assets. So I'll switch to gold and I will pick here the second strategy. You will notice that it will also be trading with 0.01 and I will click on download MT5 and I will switch to Bitcoin, and here I have a very nice first strategy, but it is trading on H1. The previous 2 I downloaded were for M5 and I want to have the 3 strategies trading on the M5 time frame, so I will download the third expert advisor. Once I have them in the downloads folder, I will copy them to each of the platforms. How I do that, I go to file, open data folder, MQL5, experts and advisors, and then I will delete the ones that come by default and I will paste the ones I have. Then what I will do is I will double click on each one and the meta editor will open. I will compile the expert advisor and I will do the very same thing for the other 2 expert advisor, and this way I'll be able to see them in the navigator's tab. Here it is. I will click on expert advisors, refresh, and once I open the tab I have the 3 expert advisors in here. I'll start with the EURUSD expert advisor. I'll drag and drop it over the chart. Here are all of the inputs. You can see the indicators that this strategy uses, and then I'll click on OK and the expert advisor is attached. Then I will drag and drop the gold expert advisor and I will drag and drop the Bitcoin expert advisor. Now I will do the very same thing for the other 2 platforms, and in a few days time we will see which one offers the best trading conditions. And I continue the video after a week or so, after I have some results in the 3 accounts, and I'll show them to you and you will see which are the most suitable brokers for Forex, crypto and commodities. So right in here are the accounts. On the top we have Black Bull, then we have FP markets, and on the bottom we have the IC markets. They all open and closed plenty of trades, and I'll start with the gold because it was quite interesting for me to see. So on the 5th of August at 9:30 or 35 minutes after 9 in the evening, there was a short trade for the gold, and you can see that the same trade executed on the 3 of the platforms. And with Black Bull markets it brought a profit of $2.20. With FP markets it brought a profit of $2.41, and with IC markets it brought a loss of $2.78. So for the gold, the first spot goes to FP markets, second spot is for Black Bull, and IC markets is on the 3rd spot. For the Bitcoin and for the EURUSD there were plenty of trades. You can see that there are 4 trades with Bitcoin for Black Bull and the FP markets, 4 trades with IC markets, a few trades with EURUSD, and I've done the calculations, so we can say that for Bitcoin the first spot goes to IC markets, second spot is FP markets, and third spot is Black Bull. And for the EURUSD, which we consider the currency pairs or the conditions with these brokers for the currency pairs. The first spot goes to IC markets, second spot to FP markets, and third spot to Black Bull markets. Now guys, these are the trading conditions I see at the time of recording this video. And if you're watching this video after 1 or 2 years, just perform the same test. Open a few small live accounts with the brokers you are planning to use, or if you're hesitating which one is better for gold or for euro, for crypto, whatever asset you are trading, download robots from the Top 10 app, because they will give you the same entries, they will send the same signals to the brokers, and you can see easily which one will execute on a better price and which one will give you a better result at the end. This is the only real test you can do to figure out which is the right broker for algo trading and of course for manual trading. As always, I wish you safe trading. Before you go, check out this video on my site to see a detailed review of IC markets, which are actually the winner today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.